Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the email preferences in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the profile section, click on the My Account Info button. And then scroll down and at the My Account Info section, look for the Email Preferences button and click on that. And as you can see here, you can tick or just dismiss the different types of emails. So if you don't want to receive emails on deals and promotions, then you can just click on that. And if the bracket is empty, then you won't receive. And you can also set a language preference for these, so English, Spanish or Chinese. And you can just simply tick if you want to unsubscribe from all of the emails listed above. And once you're ready, just click on the Save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.